We have our dreams set, our vision in place. It is time for action.
Welcome back to Atoms of Life. This is Inspiring Change series, the third episode, and I am very excited to get started on this because today I will tell you how to become a CEO. Yes, a CEO, the CEO of your life. Let us talk about a business for a minute. An organization has multiple departments like HR, sales, marketing, product development, etc. All these departments work in collaboration with each other to help the company grow. A well run business ideally does have growth every year. Can we apply this concept to our lives? Yes, we can, and it is quite simple. Let me explain with an example. Our life has a lot of aspects to it: career, family, finance, personal interests like music, dance, etc. We first divide our lives into these departments. You can include your dreams as well here. Like, for example, if traveling the world is your dream, then travel will be a department. Companies always track the performances of their departments. So, let us understand how we are doing in each aspect of our life. Score your departments out of 10.
0 to 5 will be below average and you can do much better. 5 to 7 will be above average but there is room for improvement. 8 is satisfied. 9 exceeding expectations, and 10 perfect.
Like, for example, your career. If you think you're doing well but you can perform better, then you give yourself a 6 or a 7. If fitness is a department, I would give myself a 3 or a 4 because I'm immensely dissatisfied at the moment. From the previous exercises, we know where we want to be. Once you score all your departments, you know where you stand. A clear path is ahead of us now.
In a company, each department has a target to achieve every year, like increase in revenue by 10% this year or increase employee retention, etc. Surprisingly, more or less, all the departments achieve that target, achieve that growth. Why is it not possible for us?
We don't have to score a 10 in all the departments in our lives, but all of us can strive for an 8 at least, right? Satisfaction. It sure will feel nice to be satisfied in our lives, doesn't it? Set a targets and achieve them. Sounds pretty simple, doesn't it?
The only problem here is accountability. In a company, you work because you have a boss who is making you work. The department has to achieve its target because the senior management will question them. Not only that, employees get incentives to work harder.
When it comes to your life, who is the boss? Who can question you? Who gives you incentives? Nobody, right? Wrong. You are the boss. You have to question yourself, and your dream life has to be your incentive. You are the CEO of your life. You are a one man or a one woman company. If you work well, the ship sails. If you don't, the ship sinks. It's as simple as that. This is the CEO mindset. I have been doing this for many years now, and trust me, I've seen dramatic improvements in certain aspects of my life. I shall leave you with that thought. Just one more thing. If you're new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that like button as well. Share with your friends and have fun scoring. Until next time, bye.